Here's the second video from our ongoing research exploring whether the connection we have with our dog can form a telepathic link that lets the dog know when the owner's coming home. As many of you know, this research was originally pioneered by Dr. Rupert Sheldrake in his book, Dogs That Know When Their Owners Are Coming Home. The Dogs That Know project aims to extend this research by looking at more dogs over a longer period of time in order to better understand this amazing phenomenon. Here's our second video. The setup for this experiment is similar to the first except for two important differences that I'll talk more about later. There's a webcam with a time recording feature, and it's positioned to record the same hallway we recorded in the first trial. Again, this is the spot where the family has identified as a place where Tommy and sometimes Princess demonstrate their unique waiting behavior. We're ready for Jane to start the video recording and leave the house. Like before, the exact time of the owner's departure and return is non-routine and doesn't follow any pattern. And when she leaves, there's no one else in the house. Unlike the first trial, this time we'll be measuring Tommy's reaction to Jane's son, John, when he comes home. We've found the dogs in the house are more sensitive to the first person that comes home and are less likely to wait when someone is in the house. Another difference between this trial and the first is the time and distance of the return trip. In the first experiment, Jane was almost 10 miles from home and took 13 minutes to return. This time, John is almost 20 miles away and will take almost 25 minutes to come home. We've sped up the video, but keep your eye on Tommy. Notice that just like last time, he never lays down in the hallway. He never waits. Okay, this point marks the time that John begins heading for home. Watch what happens within a minute or two after he begins his trip. Tommy gets up and moves to the spot in the hallway we've identified as his waiting spot. Now keep watching Tommy. Just like in the first trial, he doesn't budge from this spot. And this time around, he stays there for almost 18 minutes while John is on the way home, and only gets up when John's car is near the driveway. The results from this second trial were nearly as amazing as the first. Tommy's telepathic link with his owner caused him to wait in the exact spot that the owners predicted. And this waiting behavior was dramatically different when John was on the way home compared to when he wasn't. This is an ongoing experiment that's being repeated many times with different dogs. For more information or to get involved, visit our website.